Catch a glimpse into the world of the avian elite as we delve into the top 5 most secretive and expensive birds. Coming in at number 5, the black palm cockatoo, a fascinating creature with a hefty price tag. Fourth place is claimed by the hyacinth macaw, the largest flying parrot species where rarity meets beauty. Our bronze medalist, the St. Vincent Amazon parrot, is not only rare but shrouded in mystery. Taking the silver spot, the northern bald ibis was once revered in ancient Egypt, now a pricey and elusive sight. And finally, our gold winner, the racing pigeon, may seem ordinary, but with a single bird auctioned for a staggering $1.4 million, the stakes are high. Stay tuned for more intriguing insights into the world's most extraordinary creatures.